Hey, good evening, friends. This is Rudraology Day 2, Holy Grail of Trading. These people came morning at 9 o'clock. Yesterday after 12 hours, we are here today. We started with open types. We learned 4 different open types. We learned initiative buying, responsive buying. We learned bracketed day. We learned trending day. We also learned beyond all this how to make a day type, how to make an open type, and how to mix it with Rudraology trading systems. We learned in Rudraology trading systems open high, open low. We learned stretch system. We also learned how to see move from open. We also learned reference trading systems. We learned even using a moving average, how to catch a trending market. With all this, we completed a 10 powerful Rudraology system where, along with trading system, you have to take care of your risk management. You have to take care of your leverage. You should know when to average, when not to average. With all these things, what is required? The power of mind and the beauty of your heart which lies inside to give the power what is required. And all this is just a summary of learning what we did from morning 9 o'clock and now on my clock it is 9 o'clock. These people are my roaring lions and they are my pride and they are my team. You want to see that energy? Just go around and see the energy what you want to see. Open your eyes. How many of you now, with this entire days of learning, what you have seen, Rudraology Day 2, you say you have got value for your money, what you have paid as fees. Put your hands up if you have got value for money. I want this camera to go across and keep your hands up if you have got value for your money. And show your energy in front of the camera. If you have got value for money, show that energy in front of the I work for my mission and I work for transformation. Fools can fool only another fool for some time. Not everyone every time. Even that fool who has been fooled for some time will become brilliant and he will become intelligent. I can only tell you this. You do your work. If it is good, fine. This is Karnataka. This is India. This is Rudramurthy. And this is my roaring lion team.